They're back and they're beautiful. Each one comes taking a bit of seed and then they fly off. Most of them are in this crabapple tree that's behind me. They like to stay in there. I just recently saw a cardinal. We've also had mourning doves, blue jays, and these sparrows. And they're really lovely. The minute I say something, they run. So it's very hard to get a whole bunch of them together here and take a video of it. But this morning, as you saw, none of them came early. They seem to be coming out a little later. Not sure why. This area has many different species. We're in the northeast of New York. They're flying back and forth between a crabapple tree, the spruce trees, and they are really having a field day. I hope you can see a cardinal soon, but I believe there's a family of cardinals and they're really pretty. If you're a bird lover, don't forget to feed the birdies. They keep swooping down. They're really hungry this time of year. And today's not very cold. It's about 47 degrees here. I'm waiting patiently to see the cardinal. But we have a female cardinal and we also have the male cardinals. They're nowhere to be seen right now. Hoping someone will come out soon. I could watch birds for a few hours every day. That's how much I enjoy it. I'm not sure if you like it, but I think it's pretty relaxing. And especially if you know what species you're looking at. They also have some local bird clubs here in Orange County, New York. And the woman who's a part of it, she's very knowledgeable on all the different species. Well, have a good night. I'm not seeing the cardinal. So I will try to get back to you tomorrow and hopefully I will see them. Bye-bye now.